kayo maglaro, kids, titingnan muna ni Ate Dayan kung magaling ba kayong mag-dance.
Yes! Okay, bibigyan namin ni Ate Dayan ng prize, ang magaling mag-dance. Okay, alright. Palakpakan naman po natin ang kids. Alright, very good mag-dance. Alright, go kids! Ayun o, alam niyo po yung step. Oh, very good. Oh, ayan, geto. Okay, geto. Ayun, very good. Alright, go kids. Ayan, ate, meron na akong nakikitang magaling mag-dance. Ayan. Alright. Okay, next song. Ayan, alam ba ng kids?
Ayan, ganun, kids. Like that. Wow, very good. Ayan, nagda-dance si Ate Athena.
Oh, next song.
Wow, very good.
Alright, go kids. Okay, alright, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga kids. And ate, meron ako nakitang magaling mag-dance.
Sino?
Alright, ito si Kuya. Ay, ano ba pangalan?
Okay.
Okay, palakpakan naman po natin si Kuya
How about
Arthur.
sa babae, Ate? Sino
Okay,
naman?
hindi ako maano sa babae. Ayan,
Ayan,
meron
meron
na
pa nakita
nakita.
ko ito si Ate. Ayan, what's her name, Ate?
Sorry.
Okay, congratulations.
Palakpakan naman po
Ate.
natin si Ate Storm.
Okay, so before we start, ayan, so for our first game, this is what we called Max Scrabble Shoe Game. Do you know that game? Kids, do you know that game? No? Okay, so explain na lang po ni Ate Dayan, okay? So the first thing you need to do is take off your shoes, okay?
Okay, take off your shoes or sandals.
Then, lagay niyo po sa harapan niyo, okay? Take off your shoes.
Alright, take off your shoes.